Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 8th of December, which means that we will be unboxing door number 8 on my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. We've had a few really cool things so far, from a brush to a blush palette, so let's just jump right in and see what's behind door number 8. This is the Eve Lom Cleanser Cream. Warm a small amount of cleanser between your fingers and use circular motions to massage onto dry skin. Place a muslin cloth in hot water and wring out. Press the warm damp cloth onto the face and press and hold for 5 seconds to open the pores. Repeat 3 times. Rinse the warm cloth in water and remove all traces of makeup and cleanser, making circular movements to exfoliate. Rinse the cloth in cold water and reapply to the face for 5 seconds to close the pores. Gently pat dry with a towel. Now, Eve Lom are notoriously good skincare and they are notoriously expensive too. I've never owned an Eve Lom product, so I'm interested to know what this smells like. So it's a cleansing balm basically. It's very herbal. And I'm not a fan of this herbal natural scent thing that we've got going on at the minute. No, that's very strong for me, but I imagine with a little bit of water and in small amounts that it won't smell too bad on the face. I am really into cleansing balm at the moment. They seem to be the newest thing. I love a double cleanse using a cleansing balm to help take any makeup off and excess oil and dirt out of my skin, and then to go over with my Elemis gentle cleanser. I really love that stuff. I love a good double cleanse, and it does seem to be making me have less breakouts. So I'm happy to have my first Eve Lom product. I can't wait to try this out, the smell aside. Have you ever owned an Eve Lom product? Specifically a cleansing balm? Do you have a favorite cleansing balm that you want to let me know about? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow for unboxing day number 9. Bye.